Hey folks, another day in the shop. I recently got an order in from Rocky Mountain ATV-MC. Whole bunch of parts for my KLR. Today we'll be looking at the handlebar riser kit. This is the 30 millimeter, so that's a little over an inch, inch and a half or so. So let's get to it. So, in the handlebar riser kit thing, there is, let's see what we get here. Got our hardware. The risers themselves. Of course, can't forget the sticker. And some pretty chintzy instructions. All right, let's get to installing. We're gonna remove these 4 Allens. We'll pull the handlebars off, slide the spacers in, put the handlebars back on, put the top caps back on, and then drive the screws back in. Okay, so it took a little bit of wrestling, but I did get the spacers installed. Like I said, they're 1.2, 1.3 inches. So it's quite a bit of rise, but didn't have to extend any cables or anything. So I'm gonna finish aligning it and then go ahead and run the screws in, and we'll see how it looks. As with everything else, tighten until you hear a crack. Last but not least, you want to go ahead and make sure you can turn your steering lock to lock without any issues. It's not the kind of thing you want to find out while you're riding. So as I'm editing this and my computer has a meltdown, I'm realizing I didn't film any follow-up. Basically, they work pretty well. Didn't notice a huge difference, but my back does hurt a little bit less now that those risers are installed.